Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use track changes in Excel. Okay, if you have data and you are sharing this data to others, and if they change something, you can find out, or you can track how who which sale or which number or which data has been changed from others. So let's start with the video. I'm going to show you how to use, or how you can you apply track changes in your data. So let's start with the video. Before we're going to start, I'm requesting you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to comments below. So here you can see that this is the demo data, sample data I have. Okay, and in order to use track changes, first you have to check whether you have track changes option in your Excel. If you don't have option track changes in the Excel, you can add simply how to add. First we are going to see how to add track changes uh, option or features in Excel, and then I'm going to then we go ahead and how will show how to use it. So let's start with the video. So first, if you look into the review, and here you can find the track changes. If you don't find here track changes, legacy or track changes, or you just need to add, to add you have to click on reviews. Just right click and go to the custom ribbon, and here you can see the main custom. This you have to keep in review because we are going to add here track changes legacy. So I already have track changes, so I don't need to add, but you need to add. Just create first new tab, and give the name like track changes agency, whatever you want to do. And here you to find track changes from here. In here you can see in my commands, you not able to see the track changes because I have already added here. So you simply click on this track changes option. I don't have, but you will see here if you don't find in review, and click on add. So it will be add here. Okay, so as for now I'm going to delete this because I don't want it, and click on ok. Okay, so here you will be see the track changes. So now I'm going to show you how to use it. So guys, if you want to tracking changes, you have to enable this function on. So let's start video. Let's go in the tracking changes and click the highlight changes, and here you have to make sure that you click on the track changes while editing. They also share your work. Okay, so here you have to click this and click all, because we are going to share this on all. And here you have to click everyone because uh, it is very easy to find out changes. So make sure highlight the this highlight changes on screen. So this is the default setting I'm going to show you. Okay, this setting will be listed on the new sheet. If you want to create the new sheet, you can create, but as of now I'm going to show you how to track changes on screen. If you somebody change on your sheet worksheet, so it will find on screen. So simply click on ok. Now you have to click ok. So I'm going to change something here. If I this is 32, I'm going to change. So here you can see that the small arrow has been created here, and use if you um, take cursor on this icon, so you can you can see the pop-up has been come, and it show that change cell before from 32 to 55, and it show date and time also. So that is how on screen you can track changes on screen. And so now I'm going to change one more cell, and you can see the changes made by me. It's pop up on this icon. Okay, so let's save this sheet, and let's see how to make separate how to create separate worksheet for the changes made by anyone. Okay, to see to save the changes made by anyone. So here you have to click again on the track changes and highlight changes, and now you have to click on the list changes on the new worksheet and click ok. So here you can see the another sheet history, name history. the another worksheet has been created, and you can see the who changes, name changes, excel sheet. Okay, what changes has been done. Okay, you can see. Okay, you can see here the b5 55 to 32, so 32 old values, new values, you can see here. So the new spreadsheet has been created with the all changes which made by me or any everyone. So you can see here. So now we are going to get back to my original sheet, and here I'm going to show you how to accept or reject the changes, or you can save the original data, or you can accept the changes. Okay, so here you have to go in the track changes again, and now you have to go in the accept and rejection, and here you can see not yet reviewed because we are going to review now. So you can select from everyone, right? And this should be blank. You don't do anything here, just keep it blank and do okay. So here I can see the changes which is created. You can see here because, and you can accept one by one, reject one by one, accept all, or you can reject all. Okay, so in my case I just accept everyone, so you can, I can accept it. I'm accepted. So that is how you can use, track changes in track changes option in excel, function in excel. So I hope you like this video. Hit the like button, subscribe my channel. Thank you for